Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the second part of this long trip and we're still in Chile, and now we came to see a mountain called Embalse El Yeso, something like this. I'm going to put this here so you can see, and it's super warm actually. We're high up and it's super warm. It's beautiful, really beautiful. Let me show you now. Look at this. And there is some of the mountains have still like some snow on it, and those are completely without snow, and look at those ones. It's amazing, really beautiful. I really recommend you to come to Chile. It's a beautiful country, people are so nice, and the landscapes are incredible, really incredible, really. Look at this.
I know it 7 times. I would marry myself.
Never come to the mountain with those kind of shoes, because now I need to climb all of this. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I made it alive. Yeah, if you ever come here, come with nice shoes, because otherwise you can't climb up the mountain. It's very difficult to climb up this mountain. Anyway, very beautiful. Now we have to go back. The bus is waiting for us at the end of the road, so now we have to walk all the way up. And I'm so hungry and don't have any money left. Too bad for me. What's happening to you? Losing your shoes?
No, standing my shoe.
Very beautiful. This one wants to go to the toilet. 4 pesos para el baño. You need to pay. Stopping for acai. Okay guys, I'm changing now with my phone. I'm trying to vlog with my phone because I'm in the street of Sao Paulo and I'm a bit afraid to use my big camera, so the phone is only what I'm gonna have. We're trying like acai. It's the one stop you have to make if you're in Brazil. It's my first one actually. I had it before in Dubai, but never in Brazil, so it's very good. Actually, I think it's a fruit, and then they mixed it and they made it like let's say an ice cream, but not really. It's very, let's say, it's very healthy. Yummy. So nice. Walking around in this beautiful garden, trying to cross to go to the shopping mall. That's what we're trying to do now. Super nice. We arrived at the Havaianas shop. This is one of the stops that you have to do if you're in Brazil. Like, this is a very nice flip-flop to go to the beach. I'm sure everyone knows, and here it's very cheap compared to the rest of the world. So I really recommend you to come here when you're coming to Brazil. Finding another one, another bubble tea. I'm trying all of them. Your bubble exploded, really? Hi guys, well I'm back with my big camera. I think you can see the difference from the quality, probably. Today is the last day. I'm going to try to open this with a view. Yes, it's the last day of a 9-day trip. Yeah, finally. I mean, it was really great, but I'm happy that I'm going to go back to Dubai and sleep in my own bed and see my husband and everything. Because it's been a long time now. And I didn't plan anything to do today. Yesterday we just went shopping. So we came back from Chile. We landed in SAO PAULO. We just went shopping and then we went to eat at the buffet in the hotel, and then we were like having drinks and just nothing much that I wanted to vlog. And today I'm gonna try to go to the pool, even though it's a bit like it's sunny, but there's a lot of clouds, so let's see if at the pool it's nice or not. I don't know if I'm gonna do 2 vlogs or 1 vlog. I'll see when I edit, because actually like I don't have a lot of footage for the second time. Yeah, or whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna go to the pool. Going to the pool. It's actually hot outside, so I think I'm gonna stay a little bit here and read my book. Finally I can rest, because those few days have been amazing, but very like running up and down to visit everything. So now it's a bit of relaxing before I'm heading back to Dubai. This is the magic place for me, and I think my colleagues are there.
Buy something from the lobby. You see behind where the checkout is, they have like t-shirts and stuff on it. They have the little lobby boy hat.